Hello, my foolish mortals. I am La Death Machine. As y'all may or may not know, I've been a cosplayer for almost a decade now. And through the years, I've received a lot of questions on how I do my anime girl makeup. And so today, I'll show you guys how to transform yourself into a real-life anime girl. Before I start doing my skincare or makeup, I first need to apply my circle lens. Firstly, I'm going to do a little bit of skincare. I'm going to apply a little bit of toner from Mario Badescu. I don't know. Once my skin absorbs the toner, I'm going to apply a little bit of Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Daily Solution, that's a lot of words, from the Body Shop. And of course, I have to apply some chapstick. I'm going to be applying a lot of makeup, and so I'm going to lay down some primer to prepare my skin for foundation. I have a tendency to use my expensive primer on the center of my face and the cheaper one on the outside. It saves money. Now I'm going to use this peach concealer to hide my emotional baggage. My under-eye baggage. And I'm also going to cancel out the redness on my skin with a green colored concealer. Next, I'm going to use this heavy-duty cream concealer to hide my dark circles and any other blemishes on my face. Applying a high-coverage, heavy-duty foundation on top of all that concealer can actually cause your base makeup to crack. To avoid this, I'm going to top off everything with a lightweight, medium-coverage foundation instead. To top everything off, I applied a lighter concealer from the Sim underneath my eyes to finally cover up those dark circles. Time to set my base makeup with a very finely milled setting powder. The trick to avoid cakey looking makeup, especially for cosplay, is using very finely milled powder. So, I didn't really know what to do with eyebrows, to be honest. I just kind of did whatever. Most anime girls tend to have thinner eyebrows, but it's for cosplay, so just do whatever your character has, I guess. But yeah, I just kind of BS'd my way through this part. Alright then, it's time for the eye makeup. I'm going to use this light neutral brown as a wash all over my eyelids. I'm also going to apply it on the outer third of my lower lash line. Okay, this next part is going to be very tricky, so please be very, very careful. I'm gonna take this brown liquid liner and draw on a second pair of eyelids. The double eyelid tape I'm currently wearing is only going to be used to help me draw on my eyeliner. Drawing on another pair of eyelids will open up the eyes and make them bigger and more anime-like. To really sell the effect, I'm going to use a mix of medium and dark brown eyeshadows to deepen the fake crease and a cream-colored eyeshadow on my eyelid for a highlight. Now I'm going to take this peachy nude eyeliner and really exaggerate the size of my eye. You technically can use a white eyeliner, but that kind of defeats the purpose of this technique. The main idea of this technique is to mimic your eye whites, and let's be honest here, no one's eye whites are that white. Now I'm going to add shading with a medium brown eyeshadow. To add more depth to the fake eyelid I drew on, I'm going to apply this medium brown eyeshadow to the inner fifth and outer third of my eye. Okay, time for eyeliner. Remember that this makeup look is all about exaggeration. I'm going to stretch my eyeliner really far back, flying off the sides of my face even. I'm gonna make sure to connect the bottom of my eyeliner with the upper part of the fake eye whites that I drew on earlier. Next, I'm drawing on the aguiosal. Now, this step isn't entirely necessary. I personally prefer to draw it on anyways because I feel like it really helps the eye look cutesy and kind. Okay, this next step requires a very steady hand, so hold your breath and hope for the best. Using small, thin strokes of liquid liner, I'm going to draw around the exaggerated eye whites. I'm basically drawing on a new lower lash line. After that, I'm going to blend it out with a medium brown eyeshadow. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. Because this is an anime girl look, of course, I'm going to slap on some lashes. What else would you expect? If you want, you can go ahead and apply lower lashes too. But to be honest, I find them kind of itchy and uncomfortable, and so I'm going to draw them on instead. We're in the home stretch, boys. Hang in there. Okay, I don't really have any suggestions for blush. Just apply a lot, I guess. Okay, same with the lipstick. I kind of BS this part too because I put in so much effort in the eye makeup that when I got to the blush and the lips, I was like, whatever. I ended up applying a peachy nude lipstick all over my lips to exaggerate the shape and make the lower half of my face appear smaller. And then I'm using a red lip tint on the center of my lips for a gradient. And then I'm slapping on some highlighter cause, you know, why not? Ta-da! Makeup complete! Now you look like a real-life anime girl. And now VoiceOver La Death Machine is going to take a nap. Hello my foolish mortals, I am La Death Machine. It's been a hot minute since I've done an anime makeup look, and so I decided that it was time. Although this is a real-life anime girl makeup look, it also pays homage to my old makeup style back in high school, in which if you've been a long-time subscriber, you've seen it at its worst. It was pretty bad. And so I kind of made a new version of it, which turned out to be way more realistic and way more anime-like. And so learn from your mistakes. You're allowed to experiment with makeup. If it turns out bad, keep working on it. This makeup look is a touch more challenging than my other makeup looks, and so please be careful when applying it. I did my best to keep this step simple and easy to follow, but sometimes my brain don't do good. But I actually had a lot of fun filming this makeup look, and I think it turned out quite nice. I feel like this makeup look can be applied to most female anime characters, and so I hope you guys find some sort of use for it. And I think that's all I have to say about this makeup look. And now I'm gonna wrap things up a little. I'd like to give a special shout out to my Patreon supporters for helping me fund and run this channel. And of course a big thank you to you, my viewers, for watching my content. And with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video and my other content, then feel free to like and subscribe. Your support really means a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!